Welcome, students. Today, first of all, I thank all the viewers and subscribers who are attending my classes. Within 3 months, I got 370 subscribers. It means a lot of students are getting advantages of this class. So, I'm quite happy and I hope you will support me in future also. Today, we are going to start chapter 600 dresses part 2. This chapter is continuation of 100 dresses part 1. In the previous chapter, we have seen being a poor girl, Wanda finds difficult to adjust herself in the school. And finally she left the school. A new turning point takes place in the story. But still she loves her previous school and her classmates. She donates 100 drawings to her class friends. As we know, Piggy used to tease her by placing insultive questions regarding her dress, shoes, and hats. Still, Wanda loves Piggy and Maddie in a very special way. That is why she gifted green dress to Piggy and blue one to Maddie. Anyway, Wanda's father mentions clearly in the letter that how her daughter Wanda was forced to discontinue the school due to dress game. Because of this teasing and insulting game, she underwent mental suffering, and this incident forced Wanda's father to admit her in another school. This chapter gives clear message that there are a lot of students like Wanda who suffer silently. There are students, teachers, and principals also who give mental torture to the students knowingly or unknowingly. Piggy was a good girl. She never hated Wanda. She played dress game just for fun's sake. Otherwise, she was also girl of good heart. Let us look into ourselves and examine our heart. How our behavior is with our fellow students, especially those who are poor and not very handsome in looking. Let us read the text. Wanda Petronsky and her family left Bugins Heights and moved to a big city. Wanda's father wrote a letter to the principal of the previous school. The principal gave this letter to her class teacher, Miss Mason. She read the letter thoughtfully. After having understood the message of the letter, Miss Mason read the letter in front of the students in the classroom. Wanda's father said that his both children, Wanda and Jake, would not come to their school because the students insulted, mocked, and made fun of Wanda's name and her dress. So they have moved to a big city. There nobody would tease them by their funny name and dress. After listening the letter, there was a dead silence in the classroom. Everyone felt bad and realized their mistakes. Miss Mason spoke in a low, sad voice that nobody would tease, insult, make fun, and hurt the sentiments of others in future. Because of this unfortunate and sad thing, Wanda had to leave the school. That day, Maddie felt guilty that she could not oppose when Peggy played dress game targeting Wanda. Both of them realized their mistakes and wanted to meet Wanda. So they went to Bugins Heights. They knocked at the door loudly but did not get reply. It was clear that Petronsky family had left Bugins Heights. Piggy told Maddie that whenever she was asking about her 100 dresses, she got new ideas for her drawings. Piggy and Maddie both decided to write a letter to Wanda. In the letter, she asked her whether she liked her new place, new school, and new teacher. They also mentioned that her old drawings were really fantastic and good in the letter, and she won the girls' medal. They also wanted to mention sorry and ended the letter in a very friendly manner. I hope the story is clear. Now you have summary, and after that, after understanding the summary, you can complete your question answer. Thank you.